In this video, we will discuss about question number fourth one, exercise 3.3, pair of linear equations in two variables. What about this question? Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. So, what we are having, observe what we are having pair of linear equations. We want what? Solution of these linear equations. So, first we should convert these linear equations in the general form. So, we studied the general form of the linear equations of two variable is what? a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So, I am converting into the general form. I am taking first equation first. What about the solution? I am taking this equation x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1. Convert into the general form. I am taking what? I am taking LCM of left hand side. LCM of left hand side is what? 3 2 ja 6. Clear? 6 divided by 2, we are getting 3. Answer will be multiplied by numerator 3x plus 6 divided of 3. What result? 2. 6 divided of 3 will be 2. Answer will be multiplied by numerator 2 into 2y will be what? 4y equal to minus 1. Now do the cross multiplication. Then what we are getting? 3x plus 4y equal to what? Minus 6. And I am taking this one is what? Equation number 1. This one is what? Equation number 1. So from this one we obtained the equation number 1. Now from this one, now I am taking this equation. What about this one? X minus y upon 3 equal to what? 3. Same, I am taking LCM in the left hand side. What about the LCM? 3 will be LCM. 3 divided, its numerator is x and denominator will be what? 1. No 1 is there, it means we will take denominator is 1. 3 divided of 1, result will be what? 3 times it is going, result answer will be multiplied by numerator and there will be what? 3x minus 3 divided of 3, 1 we are getting, 1 will be multiplied by numerator, 1 into y will be what? Y equal to 3. Do the cross multiplication. 3x minus y equal to 9 and this one is what? Equation number 2. So, we obtain two linear equations in two variables from these linear equations. Now we want what? Solution. What we want? We want solution. So how we will find the solution? Two methods are given us. One is the elimination method and another one is what? Substitution method. So first I am taking elimination method. What method I am taking? Elimination method. Then we will discuss about substitution method. Elimination method I am taking first, then we will discuss about what? Substitution method. So in the elimination method we will eliminate one variable. Now these two equations given us in which we want to eliminate variable y. How we will eliminate variable y? We will multiply equation 1 from 1 and equation 2 equation 1 will be multiplied by 1 and equation 2 will be multiplied by this one 4. Then we are getting 4y there and minus 4y there and then we add both and cancel to this variable will be cancelled to each other. Then we are getting what? One variable equation and solve for the x, we are getting the value of x. So equation 1, what we will be do? In the elimination method we want to eliminate one variable. How we will eliminate? Observe, equation 1 is multiplied by 1 and adding this equation to equation 2, and this one is multiplied by 4. Observe carefully why we are doing these things. Why we are multiplying equation 1 from 1? Because we want 4y there, and its constant is what? 1 is there. Constant is 1 is there. We are multiplying its constant to this equation, and this equation is multiplied by this constant. Clear? So what we are doing, equation 1 is multiplied by 1. Once we multiplied this equation from 1, it means we will multiply left hand side and right hand side. So I am multiplying, what we are getting, 3x plus 4y equal to, multiplying by 1 minus 6. As it is, we are getting this equation. Equation 1 is multiplied by 1. Why we are multiplying 1? Because we want what? 4y there. So we should be multiplied from its coefficient, or there is what? 1. Now equation 2 is multiplied by 4 and right below this one. So I am multiplying this one from 4. So 4 3 ja 12x minus 4y equal to what? 9 4 ja 36. 9 4 ja is what? What about the 9 4 ja? 36. Clear? So we multiplied this equation from 4, then we are getting this one. Solve. We are adding both. This equation 1 multiplied by 1 and add to equation 2 multiplied by 4. Then both will be cancelled. 12 plus 3 will be what? 15x, and this one will be what? 30. So what about the x? X equal to 30 by 15. One time it is going, two time it is going, so final result x equal to what? 2 we are getting. Clear? This is the value of x. Now we will put value of x equal to 2 in any one equation, this one or this one, any one equation we can put this value. So I am putting value of x, put x equal to 2 in equation 2, then what we are getting? 3 times of x is what? 2. I am putting value of x in this equation. 3 times of 2 minus y we want equal to 9. Solve for the y. 6 minus y equal to 9 implies y equal to, I am transposing this towards the right and this one towards the left. 6 minus 9. So what will be the result? It will be what? Y equal to minus 3 we obtain. So by using elimination method we obtained the solution of these two linear equations by using elimination method. So value of x is what? 2 and y is what? Minus 3. Now I am taking what method? Substitution method. Observe carefully. Substitution method. Second method is what? Substitution method. How we will find the same solutions by using substitution method for these two linear equations. So equation 1 and equation 2, two equations we are having, we want the solutions. So from these two equations we will solve one equation for one variable, and then we will substitute that variable into the another equation. I am taking equation number 2. From equation 2 y will be what? 3x minus 9, and putting this one as equation number 3. Observe carefully. I am taking equation number 2 and it is solving for the y. So I am transposing this towards the right and this towards the left. Then we are getting y equal to what? 3x minus 9. So put y equal to 3x. Put y from equation 3 to 1. We obtain this value of y from equation number 2, so we will not put this value in this equation. we will put in the equation number 1. Then what we are getting? 3 times of x plus 4 times of y, 3x minus 9, 3x plus 4 times of y is what? 3x minus 9 equal to minus 6. Solve for x. 3x plus 4 3 ja 12x minus 9 4 ja 36. 9 4 ja will be what? 36 equal to minus 6. Now 12x plus 3x will be what? 15x equal to minus 6 plus 30 minus 6 plus 36. I am transposing this towards the right, then this will be what? Positive 36. Solve. 15x will be what? 30. Finally, what about the value of x? We can write x equal to 30 upon 15. 1 times, 2 times. So we can say value of x will be what? 2. Now what about the value of y? So by using substitution, we are substituting this value. We are substituting value of y from equation 3 to. We obtain this one from equation number 2. So we will not put in this equation. So we will put value of y in the equation number 1 and solving for the x. We are getting x equal to 2. Now put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2. Put x equal to 2 in equation. Put x equal to 2 in equation. Put x equal to 2 in equation what? 3. Put x equal to 2 in equation number 3. Then what we are getting? Y equal to 3 times of x is what? 2. X is what? 2 minus 9. Solve. Y equal to 6 minus 9. What we are getting? Y equal to minus 3. So by using substitution, again we are getting the same values of x and y. X equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3. What? Y equal to minus 3. It means our solution we obtain in the elimination method are what? Correct. In the elimination method and substitution method, we are getting the same value of x and y. X equal to 2 and y equal to what? Minus 3. Observe simple process. In the exercise 3.2, we used substitution method. Again we are following same method in this exercise 3.3, and also we are using new method. That one is what? Elimination method. In the elimination method, we will eliminate one variable. So how we will eliminate? The equation 1 and equation 2, first we converted these linear equations of two variables into the general form. Now we want to eliminate y term, y variable. How we will eliminate? This is the 4y, this is the minus y. So no, simply equation 1 is multiplied by 1 and this one is equation 2 is multiplied by 4, then we are getting plus 4y and this will be what? Minus 4y. Then we add both equations, then this one will be cancelled to this one, then we are getting the variable x and put this variable x value in the any one equation, then we are getting value of y. This is the what? Elimination method. In the substitution method, we will use any one equation and solve for the one variable. I am using equation number 2 and solve for the variable y, then we are getting this one. Then we will put this value not in the equation number 2. Why? Because we obtained this one from the equation number 2. So we will put equation number 1 and solve for the one variable. Then we are getting x equal to 2. Then we will put this value into where? In the equation number 3. Then we are getting the variable y. So this is the process for finding solution. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.